Hello everyone, welcome to Sri Chaitanya, and today we are going to discuss the expected questions, previous year questions of your SCORE test, and these questions are very interesting. Okay, so before we will start this session, please like and share the session, then we will discuss the questions. Okay. So everyone, I think you have already enrolled for this SCORE test. If you have not enrolled, please go to the www.srichaitanyascore.com and please participate in this exam. I think this is the one of the biggest scholarship test in India. Okay, you got a lot of opportunity to win NASA trips, electronic gadgets, and lot of scholarship. Okay, so please apply for this exam and show your knowledge and grab the rewards. Okay. So before moving to the questions, okay, if you have not enrolled right now, so please go for this exam, www.srichaitanyascore.com, and register for this course, and you can see 2.5 crore cash rewards, 350 crore of scholarships, NASA trips, exciting gadgets, and up to 100% scholarship. Okay. And also confirm, those who are listening, please say my audio and video is clear or not, then we will start our question discussion. Okay, and I believe if you are a good student of your class, you are very sincere, you can crack this exam very easily. Okay, so please participate in this exam and also refer to your small brothers and sisters, neighbors. Okay, so should we start, everyone? Okay, so I will take very simple question, and first question is very interesting, and I will try to show how NCERT is very important for you. Okay, so let's start the first question of today class. Which molecule has the smallest bond length? Please, everyone. So which molecule has the smallest bond length? And your options are N2, O2, F2 and S2. Okay, so which molecule has smallest bond length? N2, O2, F2 and S2. Please tell me, everyone. And this is a very simple question, and I know you can easily crack this question. That's why I have given this question. Okay, everyone, please try. G. Okay, N2. So Saha, JEE Aspirant, great, N2. So please tell me also the logic, and always in a teaching process, always participate in the question. If you will give good answer, right answer, it's okay, and if you committing mistake, you have opportunity to learn something, but always participate in the question. So one of your friend JEE Aspirant is saying, okay, N2, let's see. So Samrat, why you have going for option number A? Because you are thinking this is triple bond, this is double bond, this is single bond, and this is single bond. Am I right? So many people have studied if bond order is high. Okay, if I will go for this, so bond order is 3, 2, 1, 1. So many people know if bond order is high, bond strength is high, and if bond strength is high, bond length is low. So I hope every student is thinking in this way. Okay, am I right? Samrat Saha, please confirm. Please confirm this is the logic you have applied. So my dear friend, everyone, please confirm. G. One student is saying option number G. I think he is in the mode of fun. Okay, no problem. So my dear friend, people are thinking in this way. So bond order is directly proportional to bond strength. Okay, and this is inversely proportional to bond length. Am I right? But this time you committed a mistake. This is not the right answer. This is not the right answer. Okay, now, my dear friend, because you are absolutely right, but you don't know all the variables. Okay, let's see. This is the screenshot of NCERT. Just see. S2 bond length is 74 picometer. Bond length is what? Distance between their nucleus. Okay, so this is 74 picometer. Only N2 has 109. So N2 is not the right answer. So it's a very unique question. Okay, and I have taken it from your NCERT pages. Okay, and you will say, sir, how should we mug up this? No, you should not mug up. Okay, just note down the trend. So learn how to study in real way for competition. If you are saying, okay, F2Cl2 Br2 I2, no problem, size bond length is increasing as per your expectation, no one is going to ask. Okay, H2 is remarkably low than N2. Okay. So you have to identify the unique things. Okay, if atoms are changing, how can you apply one simple math to every species? Okay, math is not science. Math is the language of science. But people think opposite of it. I know this math, and with the help of this math, I will predict the whole nature. This is wrong. So Samrat Saha, this is okay. So you should feel proud in this kind of questions. Today you got the reality. And please see always the learning opportunity when you commit mistake. And this is nothing, this is your NCERT. And believe me, even topper student for the first time they commit mistake in this question. And please like and share the session. Please everyone. Okay, am I right? Samrat Saha, HG. All done, Samrat Saha, all okay? So actually bond length of H2 is very remarkably low than N2 because we never study the theory part. Okay, Samrat, very good. So this was the first question, and please never get panic if you commit mistake. If you're committing mistake and that question is important, it means you are learning something. So always see as opportunity. Come to the second question, please. One of the best question. Which is the strongest oxidizing agent? This question belongs to periodic table. This question belongs to the basics of P block. Everywhere, this question you should know if you are studying, okay, for JEE or any exam. Okay, this is one of the finest question. Please take your time. Take your time. I will help you. So this is group number 13. Okay, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. Okay, so this is the group number 13. Take your time. And please participate in the discussion. Give your answer. The way you are thinking, just show me your approach. Hardly what will happen maximum. Your answer will be wrong. So it's not a big deal. Please, everyone. So Al3 plus, Ga3 plus, In3 plus, and thallium 3 plus. So which species is powerful oxidizing agent among these? Please, everyone. So which species is powerful oxidizing agent among this? I should answer. And everyone, if possible, please like and share the session. No. Okay. So if I will go for group number 13, okay, this electronic configuration of outermost is NH2 and NP1. This is the valence electron is 3. You know it. Valence electron is 3. So if somebody will ask, which type of compound it will form? So you will say, sir, B3 plus O2 minus. Okay, so its valency is 3. Samrat is saying D. Now, so it was observed in chemistry is all about experiments. So you was expecting +3 oxidation state from everyone. But it was observed when you will move from down to bottom, okay, top to bottom, what will happen? In heavier P block elements, it was observed that this will stop in the participating. And this question was asked in also in JEE. Okay, so reluctance of NH electron to participate in the bonding. So it will start showing +1 also. Okay, but in this case only +1 is more stable than +3. Rest everywhere +3 is more stable. +3 ever, +1 lower. Okay, so your answer is Rat Samrat. Okay, thallium 3 plus is not happy. He is very angry. Okay, so he just want to move to thallium 1 plus. So he will accept 2 electron. So itself it will get reduced. So it will oxidize other. So very good. Thallium 3 plus is the right answer. Very good. Okay, your competition either JEE or SCORE can ask the same question for making compound like TlCl3, BCl3, gallium Cl3 like that. Am I right? So your answer is very good, Samrat. Okay, हिंदी में समझाओ. Okay, सम्राट, मैंने ये कहा कि इनर्ट पेयर इफेक्ट जो होता है जब टॉप से नीचे की ओर जाते हैं तो S के इलेक्ट्रॉन पार्टिसिपेट करना बंद कर देते हैं, तो +3 की जगह +1 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट मिलने लगता है. ओके, तो थैलियम यहां खुश नहीं है, ये जल्दी से यहां जाना चाहेगा, तो खुद 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लेगा, तो खुद को रिड्यूस करेगा, तो दूसरे को क्या करेगा, ऑक्सीडाइज। ऑल राइट, एनी प्रॉब्लम? सो योर आंसर वाज राइट। नाउ दिस इज वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, प्लीज आंसर दिस। And your answer was right, Samrat. Enthalpy of formation for methanol is given by which chemical equation? Please. Enthalpy of formation for methanol is represented by which chemical equation? Samrat? Okay, should I answer? Enthalpy of formation, have you studied? But this is very easy. Okay, if I will explain it ना, आपको आंसर आ जाएगा और कभी आप भूलेंगे भी नहीं। ओके, चलो मैं बनाता हूं। गेस कर सकते हैं? गेस कर सकते हैं? मैं बताऊं? देखते हैं। हमें बनाना है मिथाइल अल्कोहल, मीन्स मिथानोल। ओके, लिक्विड। Be sure you should manufacture 1 mole of this compound. This is very clear. Okay, so we should manufacture 1 mole of it. Okay, so one of nisar.com, B. I think your answer is right. Now, this compound is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen element. And our earth, yes, Samrat, B is the right answer. In which format? These are the most stable form. Okay, so carbon used to present in the graphite. Okay, now hydrogen will exist in the S2 gas. Their requirement is 4, so I will take 2. Oxygen is 1, so I will take 1/2 O2 gas. This is the most standard form of their aggregation. Okay, so this is the answer. Very good, everyone. So this is not possible. Diamond is not possible. CO is not possible. So only B should be the possible answer. Very good, very good. So Samrat, now your accuracy has already increased. Let's move. Which one of following pair of compound illustrate the law of multiple proportion? Don't commit mistake. Think, see all options. You can easily crack all the questions. So which one of the following pairs of compounds illustrate the law of multiple proportion? Samrat Saha, Nishar, which one of the following pairs of compounds illustrate the law of multiple proportion? So Samrat, except first question, you are giving the मुझे लगता है आप सब सारे क्वेश्चन का आंसर सही कर रहे हैं। सिर्फ पहले में थोड़ी सी गलती हुई थी, और जनरली उस क्वेश्चन में मैक्सिमम लोग गलत करते ही हैं। ओके, बताइए। सी लगता है। ओके, मल्टीपल प्रोपोर्शन आपको पता है पहले, अगर डेफिनेशन पता है तो गलत नहीं होगा। AI निशार, अगर आपको डेफिनेशन पता है तो गलती नहीं होगी। चलो मैं बताता हूं, समय नहीं लेते। जब 2 एटम हम लेंगे और जब दोनों कंबाइन करेगा तो जरूरी नहीं है कि दोनों एक ही कंपाउंड बनाए, वो एक से ज्यादा कंपाउंड भी बना सकता है, 2 या 2 से ज्यादा भी बना सकता है। तो एक के फिक्स वेट के लिए दूसरा एटम जितना इस्तेमाल होगा उसका रेशियो हमेशा होल नंबर रेशियो में होगा. Okay, let's see. So for 12 gram of carbon, this will utilize 16 gram. 12 gram of carbon utilize 32 gram. Okay, 32 gram. So for same weight of carbon, the weight ratio of oxygen is 32/16 and that is 2:1. ओके सो आपको इतना भी नहीं करना था, बस ये देखना था आपने 3 डिफरेंट एटम ले लिए, कभी भी ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं था. सो ऑप्शंस, इज इट ओनली पॉसिबल फॉर SnCl2 और SnCl4 बिकॉज वी नीड ओनली 2 डिफरेंट एटम, यू कांट टेक 3. सो सम्राट, दिस क्वेश्चन वाज वेरी इजी एक्चुअली. I hope you have just forgot its definition. Remember? So what was the basic statement of multiple proportion? Okay, in multiple proportion, when 2 atoms combine, they form 2 or more than 2 compounds. So the fixed, okay, D socha tha. Okay, Uday, very good. So this is the only definition based question. Now, very simple, please. Very simple question and the most popular question. If the anode cell of a given reaction has a negative value, which of following gives the correct relationship for the value of delta G naught and K equilibrium? If you know the value, you can answer the question. Samrat, Uday, Nishar, everyone. This is easy. I hope you will crack this. And those who are new, please like and share the session. This is quite easy, I am sure. You know the relation? You need help from my side? Should I write the relation? Then it only become the mathematical manipulation. Okay. ये बहुत इजी है और कोई भी डाउट हो पूछते रहिएगा. कोई भी डाउट हो पूछते रहिएगा. A, चलिए A, okay. So delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught, first relation. Delta G naught equal to minus RT ln K equilibrium. You know this. So for the people who are studying the math, I think this is the most easiest question. Okay, just it's a mathematical calculation. Let's see. E naught cell of this is negative value. It means E naught cell is negative. Okay, it means N is positive, Faraday is a constant. So my dear friend, minus minus will become plus. So delta G naught will be greater than 0. So this and this is not possible. Now, your math is very nice. So it means delta G naught will be positive. So my dear friend, to make this value positive, we need this value should be become negative. And when it will become negative? When K equilibrium is less than 1. Okay, when K equilibrium is less than 1, so log value will become negative and negative it will become positive. Okay, so only possible answer is K equilibrium greater than 1. So your answer was very right and your mathematical logic is very nice. Very good everyone. Because you can see log 1/10. So this is log 1 minus log 10. So this is 0 minus 1, so minus 1. So the value which is lesser than 1, we will get the minus value of log. So very good. And you will crack this exam. Very, very good, Samrat. Now, which is not a hypovalent molecule? Which is not a hypovalent molecule? BF3, BCl3, AlCl3, AlF3. Which is not a hypovalent molecule? Fantastic question. Hypovalent means what? Hypovalent means compound which has electron deficient. Hypervalent is more than octet. Okay, electron rich. So where Lewis was failed in 3 cases. Odd electrons, hypovalent, hypervalent. So you have to tell me, or something wrong in question. Multiple answer is right, please. Which is not a hypovalent species? I have taken 4 compound, 2 of boron, 2 of aluminium. So what should be the right answer? Samrat, Nisar, Ichha. Uday, Samrat, Nisar. Okay, should I answer? What happened, Samrat? Try तो कीजिए, क्या हो गया? Hypovalent जो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट है, इनमें कौन इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट नहीं है? बी. ओके, कोई बात नहीं, आपने आंसर दिया, ये खुशी की बात है. देखिए, सबसे पहले इसका राइट आंसर, मैं समय नहीं लेता हूं ज्यादा, इसका राइट आंसर होगा डी. एक्चुअली क्या है, बहुत ही सिंपल तरह की बात करें तो बीसीएल बच्चों ये सारे के सारे कोवैलेंट है और ये आयोनिक है. तो आयनिक तो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक इंटरेक्शन होता है, काहे का इलेक्ट्रॉन रीच और लॉस. इज इट ओके सम्राट? हाउ वाज इट? दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी ट्रिकी एंड वेरी नाइस. ओके, तो बच्चे लोग बाकी सब कोवैलेंट है सम्राट. सो अगर जिस लॉजिक से भी आपने आंसर BCl3 को किया था, so why not BF3 and why not AlCl3? You also know the Fezan rule, F minus is the least polarizable. Okay, so aluminium 3 is not able to polarize. Okay, so ionic character is the highest. Okay, so it's a nice question. Okay, AlF3 is ionic, all are covalent. So if this is a okay, all okay. So this is a very tricky question. Question is very simple, but it requires your full attention. Now, yes, this is the one of the best question. So you can say ये question thermodynamics का है, ये question P block का है, ये question redox का है, ये question periodic का है. This question belongs to everywhere. So please, I have asked. So X2 gas. Okay, in this case, one or more than one answer could be right. So this question is more than one choice. Okay, more than one answer could be right. I have, okay, so by mistake, okay, so more than one option should be right. So please, sometime to build confidence, we should take this kind of questions. Should I answer or you will try? So 1 by X2 gas, dissociation, then electron, this is electron gain enthalpy, hydrogen enthalpy. So what should be the right answer? Should I answer? Should I answer everyone? F2. You are going close. Okay, I will not take too much time for this. Let's see. My dear friend, so this species is mentioned as actually gas. Okay, gas, and you should only measure in free form which options will exist in the gaseous form. So answer will be A and B both. Both are exist in the gaseous form. This is in liquid, this is in iodine. So this value is only applicable for F2 and Cl2. So by mistake, okay, but bromine used to present in the liquid, so we should need another more step. Okay, so this can be used for only for fluorine and chlorine. All done. So Samrat, there is some issue in these options. This is very interesting, very interesting. You will love this question. So nitrogen generally show covalency 3, but it can maximum show covalency of 4. So covalency of 4 is exhibit by. So covalency of 4 is exhibit by. Please, nitrogen generally show covalency 3, but it can maximum show 4. Covalency of 4 is very interesting question. You will love this question. Please. So I have taken those questions. Okay. which will build your the best concept. Okay, so these are very selected questions. Samrat, generally nitrogen form 3 bonds. When it will form 4 bond, so what is the nature of bonds? नहीं हो रहा. Okay, बताओ. देखिए, if ammonia will form 3 bonds, so these 3 are covalent bond. 4 bond formed in ammonium ion. How it form? Ammonia will donate its lone pair to H plus. Okay, so in this case, this is H, this is H, this is H, and now this is H. So 3 is covalent, 1 is coordinate. So 3 sigma, 1 coordinate. This is very unique. And this is eye opener question. So nitrogen form maximum 4 bond. Out of those, 3 should be covalent, sharing is equal from the both end, but 1 is coordinate because both electron is shared from only one atom. All okay? 3 sigma plus 1 coordinate. Done, Sabrat? You got this language? Okay. Should we move further? It's again a very good concept. Okay, leave you will become, okay. This is the most repeated question of any Indian exam. So please, for elements of group 13, maximum energy gap is observed during consecutive removal of electrons. Samrat, yes, I can give you. Okay, no problem. सब एडवांस लेवल तो मैं 2 मिनट में दे दूं, बट ये जो डिस्कशन है वो स्कोर के लिए था, दैट्स वाई. ओके, कोई बात नहीं, बनाइए इसको. बहुत ही बेसिक सा है और इसी कॉन्सेप्ट को इस्तेमाल करके एडवांस सबसे ज्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछा है पीरियोडिक से, इसी कॉन्सेप्ट को. मुझे लगता है आप इजिली क्रैक भी कर लेंगे. अगर आप एडवांस की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आपको इसकी लैंग्वेज समझ में आ गई होगी. सो दिस लैंग्वेज इज द मोस्ट कॉमनली आस्क्ड इन योर एग्जामिनेशन. प्लीज. See, this is group 13. Okay, listen, ionization energy is always endothermic. Okay, Samrat? So, and when you will remove one electron, protons remain same, electrons getting reduced, and reduced. So nucleus getting more powerful, more powerful, more powerful. To remove next to next electron, you should always provide more energy. Now, so IE1 is always smaller than IE2. IE2 is always smaller than IE3. This is always smaller than IE4. This is always smaller for IE5, and so on for any atom. For any atom. Okay, but here we have group number 13. So what is the valence electron, my dear friend? Samrat, 3. So after removal of 3 electrons, you will get valence electron completed. Okay, so you will find a high jump between these two ionization energy. So your answer is completely right. So this is a very easy question. And have you gone through the IIT advanced question and JEE Mains question? Every time you will find question on this. And today I have taken one more question on this concept. Okay, this is the application. So this is the most repeated form. Samrat, have you observed this? Okay, now highest acidic strength shown by. So which has highest acidic strength? Please. These things I hope. Let's see, Samrat, we can solve many questions, but this session is totally planned for a score. Okay, that's why we are going in this way. So what should be the answer? Please. This is very surprising and very interesting question. I have a trick for it also. Please, सम्राट, ये तो बहुत कॉमन है, आपने इसको बहुत बनाया होगा. So जय सिम्हा व्लॉगर ने कहा है सी. ओके, यस. सम्राट, जनरली लोग क्या सोचते हैं, जनरली जब पढ़ाया जाता है सम्राट, तो लोग सोच लेते हैं ना HClO4, HClO3, HClO2, ओके, HClO +7 +5 +3 +1, वो इससे देखते हैं हाई ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, हाई मोर एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ, और वो गलत कर जाते हैं. बट यहाँ पे आंसर दूसरे रीजन से आता है और आंसर आपका बिल्कुल सी है. मैं इसका कई बार शॉर्ट ट्रिक बता चुका हूँ. ठीक है, श्योर यू हैव ऑल आंसर राइट. वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द वर्ल्ड इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन, सो टेक ओनली 2 seconds. So which has the lowest electron affinity? This is the most common question of any Indian exams. So please, you should not take more than 2 or 5 seconds. Which has the smallest electron affinity? Which will have the smallest electron affinity? This is, I think, world easiest question. Group number 16, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, please. Oh, you are taking time for this? Group number 16 is the most important area from where you will get the maximum part. Okay, so what should be the answer? Samrat? Jay Simha? Okay. 0? Okay, sorry. Oh, yes, you are right. Yes. So actually your answer is exactly sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, even oxygen is the least one actually. Yes, you are right. Yes. Okay, oxygen is the right answer. A. Yes, cool. Okay, this is very good question. Let's see who can answer this. Who can answer this? Okay, this is the coolest question. You can easily answer actually. So among the trihalides of nitrogen, which is the least basic? Okay, this type of logic you always apply in organic chemistry also. So this is little bit easy. Okay, please. Least basic. And of course I am talking for, okay, Samrat, Jeshimha, HG. HG was the first, okay. So what should be the answer? A. Samrat is saying A. Yes, let's see. When donor atoms are same or from same period, yes, in this case fluorine is more electronegative, so fluorine has highest plus charge on it. And you know, if plus charge will increase, electronegativity will increase. So when electronegativity will increase, okay, it will release less electrons. So yes, you are right, NF3 will be the right answer. But many people commit mistake in this case, NH3 and PH3. Who will tell me which is a stronger Lewis base? Who will tell me? So which is a stronger Lewis base? So NF3 is the least one. Yes, you are right. Okay, because fluorine will snatch electron density from nitrogen, and nitrogen electronegativity is the highest one in all comparison, because nitrogen will acquire the highest positive charge. And you know, if the plus charge will generate, electronegativity will increase. So higher the electronegativity, lesser will be the electron tendency. So base is worst. So in this, but people will apply logic in this case. So please, what should we answer in this? बिल्कुल आएगा सम्राट, बिल्कुल आएगा. और ये सब क्वेश्चन इसको बताइए क्या होगा, आना भी चाहिए. अरे आप एक क्वेश्चन छोड़ के सबने सही किया है. और देखिए आज का जो पेपर है वो स्कोर बेस्ड है, ठीक है, स्कोर बेस्ड है. बताइए सभी लोग, among the trihalides of nitrogen which is the in this case which has a stronger Lewis base, NH3 or PH3? Electronegativity of nitrogen is higher than phosphorus. Please tell me. NH3 or PH3? NH3, yes. Many people think they will apply the same logic. Sir, nitrogen electronegativity is higher than this, but this is not the right answer. When donor atom is from different groups, different period, so answer will be given by the size. Lower the size, higher electron density on the size, so they will easily attract or donate. Okay, we have many answer. Nitrogen is this much, phosphorus this much. So 2 electron on smaller area, 2 electron on bigger area. Okay, answer is not governed by electronegativity. So, or per unit volume, this has high electron density. One case is this. Second case is, we can say, this also has electron cloud. Nitrogen has very high electronegativity. So it will attract electron density towards itself, and this density will push this density away from the nitrogen. So nitrogen will donate easily. So we can define in 2 ways. Okay. These are very easy questions. Now, mark the correct choice of electrolytes represented in the curve. Mark the correct choice of electrolytes represented in the graph. Mark the correct choice of electrolytes represented in the graph. Question is very easy, actually, very easy. So this is for a strong electrolyte, and this is for weak electrolyte. You have to identify it. No. Okay, actually strong electrolyte, you can simply calculate conductivity at infinite dilution. But for weak electrolyte, this is called Ross law. Okay, so A should be a strong and B should be weak. So only D is the possible answer. No, Samrat, no problem. Okay, A, in this case you have taken A weak. That is wrong actually. C, not C, my dear friend. A is again weak. A is again weak. This should not be. This should be belong to a strong electrolyte. A strong electrolyte. Okay. So only option for A is D is right. So this is weak, weak, weak. Not possible. Samrat, all done? All done? So सम्राट, किस क्लास में हैं आप और कैसी चल रही है प्रिपरेशन, बताइए. सम्राट, किस क्लास में पढ़ रहे हैं और प्रिपरेशन कैसी चल रही है? एनी मेजर इशू? ओके. नो प्रॉब्लम. सो आज यहीं पे वाइंड अप करते हैं सम्राट. ओके, जय सिम्हा और इच्छा. सो हम आगे इसी तरह के और सीरीज में मिलेंगे. आई होप आपको पसंद आया होगा, और कोई डाउट पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट भी कर सकते हैं सेशन के बाद. चलिए, तो हम मिलते हैं अगले डिस्कशन में. तब तक के लिए मैं, और ये PDF आपको मिल जाएगा, तो हम मिलते हैं अगले डिस्कशन में, तब तक के लिए बाय। और अगर किसी ने इस कोर्स को एनरोल नहीं किया है तो प्लीज www.srichaitanyascore.com पर जाइए एंड प्लीज एनरोल फॉर दिस कोर्स। ओके, एंड the last exam date is 28th September and 12th of October. Okay, and this is the website link, website address. Okay, so this is the national level scholarship exam for 3 to 12 grade conducted by Sri Chaitanya, and test will be both online and offline. Oh, अच्छा जी, okay. So you should take actually this test because okay, so you are going to compete with the brightest students of India and lot of scholarship chance you will get. Okay, NASA trips, electronic gadgets, a lot of things. Okay, so eligible, this mode of exam will be both online and offline, so select your exam dates according to your availability. Okay, and last date to register for test 1 is 26 September and exam date is 28 September. Second test exam date is 12th October and last date to register is 10th October. Okay, and the duration of exam is for 5th class up to 5th 60, from 6th and 7th 75, and for 8th to 11th 120 minutes. Okay, so please like, comment, share and subscribe the our video. Okay, so see you next class everyone. Bye bye. सम्राट, आपने बहुत अच्छा आंसर किया है स्कोर टेस्ट में, आप मुझे उम्मीद है बहुत अच्छा करेंगे। सो सी यू नेक्स्ट डिस्कशन, तब तक के लिए बाय।